guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tay Marie here, back with another video. Today's video is like super exciting for me and hopefully for y'all too. Today's video is about Unice hair. I ordered a wig from them on Thursday and I got it today. Today is Saturday. I ordered a Glueless HD wig. This is going to be my first time installing a wig, especially a glueless wig. And yeah, let me just show y'all this hair, and after that y'all are going to see how I install it, and y'all let me know how I do, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and the link will be in the description below for this wig, this hair, the hair company, all of that good stuff. Please click that link. Okay, let's get into the unboxing part, and then I'm gonna go wash my hair, get it braided up, and then we're gonna come back to install it, okay? So it comes in this cute pink box, and I got the I got 24 inches, and like I said, it's glueless and it's HD. Oh, it came with a gift. Okay, this is cute. I've seen, like, if you spend so much, you do get a free gift. I paid $280, and or it was, I think it was cheaper than that because I had a discount. You get so many discounts, like it's crazy. Okay, go check out my last video, not my last video, but the latest video on Unice that I did some years ago. I really love the hair, so this is my first time getting a wig from them. But yeah, I got this cute pink bonnet. Okay, a makeup brush. This is super cute. Some lashes, pretty. And then I got the little band for, you know, the edges, slick them little edges down with the wig. Yeah, okay. Oh, that is super cute. I like that. I like y'all Unice. I really do. Oh, okay, so this is the wig. It says HD right there, glueless. I'm so excited. I never installed a wig, y'all. I'm nervous, but I'm excited to share this. Oh, let me take the paper out. Okay, this is what it's giving. Oh, it is so soft. Like I said, it's 24 inches HD, glueless, and this is a closure. I believe this is a 5x5. I'm going to leave everything right here and in the description below. Oh, this is so pretty. This is body wave. Y'all, look at that. Let's get the details. Like, let's get that. Oh my gosh. And let's get that lace. Look at that. Okay, it's giving. It's inside. It does have adjustable straps. Let's see. They're right there. And then it has the combs, as you can see, on the inside as well. Yes, I love this. So actually, in the next video, y'all are going to see me install this wig. This video, I'm just gonna make it one video. I don't want it to be like so crazy long. So this is just gonna be the unboxing. And this, oh, I'm so excited, and I just can't wait. And I'm just excited to share with y'all. So I might do this jet black because it's looking like it's a 1B. So I might dye it jet black. I might put a little bit of blonde in the front. But yeah, right now I'm definitely giving this light is crazy. I'm definitely giving this a 10 out of 10. Like I said, this is not my first time ordering from Unice. I always say Unice, but it's Unice, okay? This isn't my first time ordering from them, but it is my first wig from them. I do originally get bundles, and they're just as amazing. Clearly the hair just, y'all, go get this. Go click that link right now for this wig, Glueless HD. It's games on there that you could play to get points going towards your total. It's gonna take it off, y'all. They have so many deals on there. They have buy two wigs for $100. They have everything. Like, I love Unice. Go get y'all the wig. They carry lace glue, y'all. They carry, like I showed y'all, the bands. I'm looking over there, but they carry hot combs, okay? Flat irons, all of that. Go get it. Like, and it's very reasonable. And like, I'm gonna stress this so much. I can't stress it enough. Like, it's so many discounts you could get, so many points you could get, like, to lower that price more and more and more. And I got 549 points for ordering this, but before I had 100 points because I played a game and it went towards dropping this total down. I'm gonna leave it all right here, but this is amazing. I don't want this video to be too long, okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm about to go wash this hair and then catch me in the next video of me installing this wig. I'm so excited. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit that link, hit the notification bell so you won't miss me installing this wig for the first time. Beginners, please watch this because I might be I might be good at this wig and might be helping y'all beginners, okay? And even if y'all are not beginners, let me know how I did. And I'm repeating myself so much because I just be rambling. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.